Hello, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find the x value. Solution: 27 power x minus 3 power x by 3 power x equal to 80. Now this 27 can be written as 3 power 3 whole power x minus 3 power x by 3 power x equal to 80. Now 3 power can be written as 3x minus 3 power x by 3 power x equal to 80. Now we are going to apply this formula, which is a power m minus a power n by a power n equal to a power m by a power n minus a power n by a power n. This formula we are going to apply here. So we'll get 3 power 3x by 3 power x minus 3 power x by 3 power x equal to 80. Again we are going to apply this express identity, which is a power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n. This express identity we are going to apply here. So we'll get 3 power 3x minus x minus, this simplifies this, here 1, so here 1 equal to 80. Now 3 power 3x minus x minus 1 equal to 80. Now we are moving this minus right hand side, so 3 power 3x minus x equal to 80 plus 1. This moved here, so 3 power 3x minus x is 2x equal to 80 plus 1 is 81. Now 3 power 2x equal to, this can be written as 3 power 4. Now base are same, power should be same, so 2x equal to 4. Now divide by both sides by 2, here 2, so this 2 cancels this, so x equal to, simplify this, so here it is 2, x equal to 2. Now we are going to verify this. Let us verify 27 power x minus 3 power x by 3 power x equal to 80. Now we know that x is 2. We are going to apply here. So 27 power 2 minus 3 power 2 by 3 power 2 equal to 80. Now this 27 can be written as 3 power 3 whole power 2 minus 3 power 2 equal to 80. Here 3 power 2. Now 3 power 2 times of 3 minus 3 power 2 by 3 power 2 equal to 80. Now 3 power 2 times of 3 is 6 minus 3 power 2 by 3 power 2 equal to 80. Now this 3 power 6 is 729 minus 3 power 2 is 9 by 9 equal to 80. Now 729 minus 9 is 720. So 720 by 9 equal to 80. Do simplify this. So we'll get 80 here. So 80 equal to 80. So LHS equal to RHS. Thus verified. Thanks for watching this video.